Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Prime Video account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open your preferred browser. For me, it will be the Google Chrome. As you can see, I have already opened it, and on the search bar, click there, and on the search bar, type in Prime Video, login like this, and hit enter. And on the second search result, you can see the welcome to Prime Video option over here. I'll click on that website and you will be the welcome to Prime Video, and you can see the sign in option over here on the top right corner of your desktop. Click on the sign in option, and after that you will be required to enter your mobile number or your email address and your password over here, and you can click the sign in button over here to sign into your Prime Video account from here. And if you have not yet created your Amazon account, you can directly create your Amazon account from here. Also, you can see the create your Amazon account button over here, and there is logging into your Prime Video account from your desktop is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.